What's up, everybody? It's Marvelous Monday here with Steph, and this week's theme on Purplettes is freestyle. And so, I'm going to be doing a blind taste test, which means, basically it means that I'm going to be blindfolded, and I will have random foods put in front of me. I won't know what they are, and they might be disgusting, and then I have to guess what they are, if they're good or whatever. So, let's get started. To start off, I'm going to need something to put over my eyes. Well, that works.
Alright, ready now. Okay, there's the first piece. Yeah, you can see it. It's right here. Cucumber. Good, you got it. Here's the next one. Oh my gosh, I know what this is. I can't just put my finger on it. No, it's fine. You eat it every day. Oh, tomato! Yeah, you got it. Okay, the next one. Apricot. Yep. Okay. Small piece of sunset. Extra sour grape. Yeah, right. Okay. Celery. Wait, is this it? Yeah, a healthy food, not trendy, right? Are you ready for the next piece? Yeah. Here it comes. What is it? I'm thinking. Oh, a plum. Yay. Okay. The orange one. What is this? It's a poison. Yeah? Is it like onion? Orange onion. Oh, it's pepper. Ew. Okay, another healthy food. I'll finish it. Here. Cucumber! Did I get it right? Did you have your lunch already?
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week on Marvelous Monday. Toodles!
Toodles!